Hiya Duck, I'm back. My name's Kirsty Meakin and I am going to do a design today. It includes flames and a love heart. So you could use it for Valentine's Day, you could use it all year round.
Flames and a love heart, it could be very much anti-Valentine's.
I think it is really because, you know.
You like burning some hearts, are you?
Yeah, do you know what? I saw a TikTok. Somebody was going, girls don't want flowers for Valentine's Day. Girls want $40 million. So I'm going to use base coat on the nail. Now, if you're doing this on a natural nail, make sure you buff the natural nail, remove the shine. You can do that with a 240 grit file, or you can do that with the buffer. It's entirely up to you. I like to use either a 240 grit file or our 240 grit sanding bands. I'm going to pop that into the lamp. Once you've prepped that nail, make sure you wipe over with the clean up solution as well. Then you're ready to put your base coat on. Even if you're doing this on top of an extension, base coat, base coat, base, 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 all the way. It's going to give you amazing adhesion. Background colour is going to be blue and it's called Joey Egg. It's a very soft pastel blue. I've chosen two contrasting colours for this.
I'm very grateful for that, thank you.
They're both like pastel-y tones. Like this is like a pastel blue, isn't it? But you want some contrast. So we're going to do 2 coats of Joey Egg. Pop that in the lamp. So we're going to put the colour Kirsty on now. So I'm going to put it halfway, then I'm going to take the fade brush and I'm going to drag some of that product up just to sort of blend it into that blue. And then we're going to pop that in a lamp. I'm going to top coat this now. So it's really important to top coat at this stage. It's also important to make sure that this colour that we put on, the Kirsty colour, is super thin. And I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Then we're going to use the colour Dan. I'm going to pop that onto a palette.
I do love that Dan is bright pink.
I do. I'm sure it's his favourite colour. I'm going to take the Cassidy detailer brush. And then the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create the love heart. And from that love heart, we're going to do the tails of the flame. Bring this down. That looks like a love heart with horns right now, doesn't it? She's horny, baby. Fill that in. Then we're going to come down, round, and we're going to cut up just to create our other flames. So sometimes we do part of the design and then we cure it. But with this technique you have to do all the design first, because you can't cure it part way through. Because our next step is to take our clear acrylic, which is called glass slipper. I'm going to pop that pot underneath, and we're going to sugar this design. So you can see why we did the top coat as well, because if the top coat wasn't underneath the design, then what would happen? This would stick to the sticky layer. So let that soak in, tap off the excess, and in the lamp. Then we're going to take a brush and get rid of the excess powder. And I love the contrast of this being matte and textured, and then the glitter in the background blended into the blue. It's so cool. With 2 dots, fill that in. You can use the same brush, you can use your Cassidy detailing.
I think it needs to be matte, the same as the...
Yeah, this is about do these hearts around the cuticle and then sugar them the same. Right, let's sugar that. Yes, I'm thinking this is it. I think we've just brought the whole design together, because you've got the negative space heart down there, and then you've got, yeah, solid ones. So I'm turning the finger, making sure I catch all the edges of the gel polish with the clear acrylic. Tap off the excess in the lamp. Let's dust off the excess. Yes, I'm happy.
Good, because I was hoping my suggestion was not going to make you unhappy.
No.
I was like, oh shit, what have I done?
Right, Kirsty gave me no. No, that's a rubbish idea, Adam. What are you on about? There you are. That look cool. Full set of them. That look nice, wouldn't it, that? I like it, so yeah. Doesn't have to just be done on Valentine's Day. Do you know what I mean? It's something, even if you had these done for Valentine's Day, they still look really cool afterwards. They are. Just sharing a bit of love with you guys, because I love you all. So everything I've used today will always be listed below in the description box. The links, the discount codes, all of that is always below. Don't forget, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra!